Hello mga katitas! Today we are going to do a seafood mukbang. So Karen ordered a king crab and snow crab from Maine. She ordered it, when was that, the 25th, and it arrived today. So we are... Do we have shrimp? No, because Eric said he's eating all the crab and I just have the shrimp. So ayan siya. Ay! Ay! Ano, hindi mo nakita ka. Ganyan, ganyan. Ayan siya. So here's the crab. Ah, ito yung king crab. This is the snow crab pala. And here's the king crab. And then we have the shrimp, right? And then we got clams. We got clams and... Yeah. So here... So Eric has... Oh, what's in here?
It's water with Zataran's seafood boil, and I sliced up a couple of andouille Cajun sausages, and there's potatoes in there. And
We have the corn and sausage too, right?
with the sausage in there, there's the corn.
And then the clams. All right. No, I'm just so hungry. Mabi. Ayan, malapit na. Yay! Is it the last one, shrimp?
That's it.
Oh my god. God. Do you need more paper towel? Yeah. Ay! Ay! Ow! Ow! Oh my god. Yan! Oh my god! I just want that.
Pepper!
No idea. walang music. Okay.
I like the Cajun seasoning.
I know, at least Cajun is the best. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.